If you're selling a home, the inspection is where deals either stay together or fall apart. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do after a home inspection using proven patterns that work so you can protect your price and protect the deal. Let's get one thing straight. A home inspection, it's not a pass-fail test. It's a professional opinion report that creates leverage in negotiations. Now, here's the moment most sellers panic when the report shows up. Let me explain how to read it like a pro so you don't overreact to the noise. Inspection reports are designed to be thorough, and that's why they look scary. Most reports include dozens of items that are not deal breakers. So here's how to interpret it like a professional. Green zone. It's mostly noise. Cosmetic notes, monitor this, monitor that, minor wear and tear, and small maintenance suggestion. Yellow zone are negotiables. Minor plumbing leaks, older HVAC that's still functioning, loose handrails, minor electrical corrections that can be handled with repair, credit, or adjustments. Red zone, that's where the major issues are. Active roof leaks, foundation movement concerns, mold and unresolved moisture, major electrical safety issues inside the panel, hazards, and sewer line issues. These are where deals can fall apart if not handled quickly and clearly. Your job is to respond like a calm adult, not like someone that's being attacked. Once you separate the noise from the real issues, negotiations become straightforward. Now, let's talk strategy, because this is where sellers lose thousands. In most cases, you have three options: repair it, credit it, or don't do anything and hold firm. Here's what I recommend. Option A, repair when it's for safety or function. If it's a true safety issue or a functional defect, repair is usually best because it removes the fear and uncertainty. Fear creates big credits and big risk. Option B, credit when it's simple but time-consuming. Credits are great when you don't want contractors in your home or you're tight on time. Option C, hold firm when it's normal wear and tear. Not every item is a problem, and not every item is your problem. Buyers are buying a resale home, not a brand new construction. Here's a key rule. Never agree to a vague repair request like fix all items on the report. That's a blank check. Instead, negotiate specific items with a clear scope. And if something's big, don't argue, verify. Get a licensed professional code that transforms emotions into facts. And here's what ties everything together: speed and clarity. Even a good strategy fails if you respond late or vague. This is what saves the deals. When an inspection gets tense, it's usually because the buyer feels fear and uncertainty. This is where having an expert agent matters. I take protecting my clients from mistakes seriously because one bad inspection response can cost you the deal or cost you tens of thousands of dollars in unnecessary credits. If you're selling and you want a clear inspection game plan tailored to your home, the contact information is in the description. I am happy to help you build a strategy that keeps the deal together and protects your bottom line.